Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education. Checking in on the tech sector, XLK, Apple, and Facebook. So we have a bull flag pattern here on XLK, very normal, healthy consolidation with a lower wick showing the bulls buying the dip today, but we have clear resistance up at the all-time high by a penny, and really it's 57.39, 42, 41, so there's a clear resistance level there, and the bulls obviously have to get through it to see continuation and a new all-time high. So the bulls are certainly still in favor because of the dip buying today. Continuing to hold exponential support. This 4-period exponential support has held ever since the bounce initiated from that Trump dump, and the bulls are in full control of this sector. The upper Bollinger Band on the weekly, 57.48, is a resistance level. Perhaps that's where we are rejecting from, just below that point. But really, there's no sign of slowing down, and we don't want to be trying to time the top or, the only thing that I would be doing is either playing bullish or sitting on my hands and not playing at all. And that is because there's no sign of going bearish, and there's shorts are getting eaten alive. If there are even any shorts, I don't even know where they are. There's no bears, there's no shorts. We just continue running to the upside, and until we break the higher low pattern, that's going to remain the case. So we do have the testimony tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern. The written testimony came out today, and that was digested by the market, so I don't foresee any huge major surprises. Apple on the daily time frame continuing to show some strength. Nice bull break over the high of yesterday with a big upper wick showing profit taking yesterday. Able to get through that level does show a nice move to the upside. 155.98 is the high, and then we're looking up at 156.65 as a resistance level. That's the all-time high, and the bulls are looking to obviously see continuation through that level and be looking for a new all-time high as well. And Apple has been a laggard in this space, but it is picking it up, and as long as this daily middle Bollinger Band holds, which it has 5 days in a row before today, we didn't even touch it, the bulls do show that strength. So the weekly time frame, sideways consolidation, certainly an extremely bullish chart, and we're looking for continuation here. If we get a break of the XLK double top, if we see SPY bulls show up, Apple is likely to follow along with them. Facebook, normal healthy consolidation, bulls buying the dip. Low was established here at 150.30, higher low established at 152.34, and looking for continuation if we can break 154.71. Facebook is in striking distance of that all-time high. So on this bounce, we've been establishing nice supports on the way up. I'm much more comfortable as a bull seeing these levels of support built rather than just shooting straight to the upside, and we're looking for that to happen again. New support is 152.34, and the weekly time frame certainly favoring the bulls, and not an entirely strong week, obviously, this week with 2 trading days left to go. Bulls want to see a close as close to the high of the week as possible, as we have seen the past 2 weeks, showing that momentum going forward and confirming the bull flag on the weekly. So pretty much all these tech names are just bull flag after bull flag, confirmation, continuation, and no slowdown in sight. So keeping the bulls in favor until we see a reason to change, and I do believe it is going to have to be a news-driven event to cause some lasting fear in this market. I don't foresee what that's going to be. I don't think it's going to be tomorrow, but we'll have to be keeping an eye out for it because, in my opinion, it is going to be something like we saw on the Trump dump day where it was just an all-out dump. I think that's what it's going to take to see profit taking and then see shorts able to gain some ground due to that profit taking. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.